Are you using custom call outcomes to track how effective you and your team are when making outbound calls? If so, I want to show you how you can take advantage of custom call outcomes in HubSpot while also taking advantage of the PhoneBurner Power Dialer. You see, HubSpot gives you the ability to create all these custom call outcomes so that you can report on the outcomes of those calls and really see what is happening with each and every call. And PhoneBurner gives you the ability to create custom dispositions. So if we go to our PhoneBurner account, we click on the settings in the upper right hand corner, go down to dial sessions, then click on dispositions. Here you can create different sets of disposition buttons that you and your team can use as you're making calls. So for example, here's a set of buttons that I could potentially use when making calls using PhoneBurner. And each one of these dispositions has what's called a status. This status here is what could drive the call outcomes in HubSpot. And it's really easy to make this work together. All you have to do is make sure that the dispositions on the PhoneBurner side match exactly what your custom call outcomes are on the HubSpot side. So, for example, you'll notice that I have a custom call outcome in HubSpot that's just interested, right? If I jump back over here to PhoneBurner, I have a button called They Are Interested with the status of They Are Interested. Well, those don't match. All I have to do in order to make these match is I just edit the disposition on the PhoneBurner side, and I make sure the status on the PhoneBurner side, doesn't matter what the button label is, the call status. I just need to make sure that the call status on the PhoneBurner side matches the custom call outcomes that are available in my account in HubSpot. Now, obviously, you can create more custom call outcomes and everything. I'm not going to worry about teaching you how to do that. You should know how to do that, right? But here, I'll go ahead and save that so we see it saved. Now let's go and make a call using PhoneBurner. Let's find a contact in here. We'll just grab this contact here, begin the dial session. Let's make sure we're using our starter live answer set. That's the one that we just updated. Click continue, get connected, start dialing. And so here's my dispositions, right? The button that we customized is one of our live answer buttons. So they are interested. Remember, the label doesn't matter, it's the status. So I'm going to click They Are Interested. And I'm also going to click here to go view that record in HubSpot. Here you can see that call has been logged in HubSpot. And if I expand that, you will see that outcome is set to interested. If the call status on the PhoneBurner side is not an exact match, we'll just set it to connected. So all you have to do, again, all you have to do is when you're configuring your PhoneBurner account, again, we go to the dial session settings. We go over here to dispositions, and you edit any one of your dispositions. You'll see the status. All you have to do is ensure that the status matches all of the options that you have on your HubSpot side. Now, of course, if there's something in PhoneBurner that you want on the HubSpot side, go and create that custom call outcome in HubSpot. And so that's it. That's how easy it is for you and your team to start taking advantage of custom call outcomes in HubSpot while taking advantage of the PhoneBurner Power Dialer. So your team can start powering through their calls at a rate up to 60 to 80 dials an hour. Anyway, I hope this helps you and your team get more done in less time. Thanks again, and happy dialing.